Yeah, I'm POLONA PENGAL. I have a PhD in biology. I'm a scientific director at REVIVO, which is an institute for ichthyological and ecological research from Slovenia.
And then what's your role within the NAIAD project?
In NAIAD, we are the leader of the work package 6, that's demos. We're supposed to coordinate all the demos and find a common solution for all of them. And we're also the leader of Slovenian demo, which is the Glinščica catchment in the Ljubljana municipality. And we want to apply the different methods and integration schemes to our demo. So we're also involved in all the methodological work packages. So it's hazard and risk management and mapping, then it's socioeconomic analysis, and then policy integration and mainstreaming. So we would like to apply that to our demo as well within the NAIAD.
You started to talk about your demo site in Slovenia in particular.
Yeah.
What are some of the key challenges that you're trying to address there?
Yeah, the most important is definitely flooding. The Glinščica catchment is coming from, it has a torrential character, and it's coming from, its source is in the hills near Ljubljana, but then it goes through an agricultural area where the flooding is not such a big issue, but it ends in our main city, so in our capital, Ljubljana, and it floods quite often parts of Ljubljana, and so that's the biggest issue also in terms of investment and insurance and all that. And so we would like to apply some of the, or at least suggest some of the nature-based solutions to be applied to the catchment so that we would prevent flooding downstream. And we want to collect information on insurance and risk management and incorporate all that so that we would basically solve the problem for Glinščica and for that part of Ljubljana.
So if flooding is the main issue here, what would, I guess, be the lessons that you could hopefully take away so that we can take this to scale and implement this in other catchments and sites?
Well, I think that from what we've been talking these 2 days, the process of how to start the assessments, of how to decide on which the nature-based solutions work best, one is to get this process, how the cities or the management bodies can actually go to start doing this. And the second is to get methodological help or the tools to do this, because in Slovenia at least we're kind of lagging behind with the river restoration and nature-based solutions. And I think that the governmental bodies that are responsible don't really know all that's available, and that's what we want to achieve through NAIAD, to make them aware of the possibilities that are out there and that they are proven functioning. And NAIAD is supposed to prove this system actually works, that nature-based solutions work, and if the policymakers realize this, then I think we would be successful.
Could you give maybe a couple examples of, we use the term nature-based solutions a lot, but in your site maybe specifically, how would those be carried out? What kind of solutions are we talking about?
Okay, so nature-based solution is a really big group of solutions, and it means that you are actually using nature to give you the ecosystem services, and one of the most important in our catchment is flooding, and that means retention ponds or reservoirs, but not just built ones, but the ones that are already there by the relief of the catchment, so that are offered by the nature itself. So we're not building something, but we are using what's already there. Then there's revegetation or re-establishment of lateral connectivity with the main stream, because channelization and concrete in the stream itself prevents sideways migration of water, prevents groundwater recharge. So those are the ecosystem services that the nature-based solutions kind of enable. So that's kind of 2 or 3 different